Right, perfect. Here we go. Okay. Spy check, Tesla check, 10-minute check, 10-minute check, voice check. All right, here we go. Let's put this down. All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader. All right, HRT here. As always, I'm here for what? Well, I'm here to take a look at SPY and Tesla in the pre-market price action. Mark the supply and demand, just like that, using the 10-minute and the 30-minute to verify. All right. Then after that, sit back, relax. Market opens, I execute my trades as the price reacts to these levels. Just like that. All right. Goal is always what? For now, 100 a day, $100 a day. So here we go. Here we go. All right. So this is SPY here. Let's start off with SPY right after that. As you can see, SPY overall. As you can see, SPY overall, there's been a sell-off going on with SPY. It appears to be last week. So let's go ahead and mark the supply and demand real quick. I've already marked these from previous ones. So it looks like they are verified today. As you can see, the price moves outside of it and came back and reacted to that level. And as well as you can see, as the price was underneath it and it came to it and reacted, it went right back. So that clearly tells us that. So let's go ahead and mark here. Low. Let's go ahead and mark right here real quick. Appears to be a level here. And as well as right here. So let's go ahead and mark right here as well too. All right, cool. Should be a very, very, very simple day. Very, very simple day. If you have any questions, let me know right now. As we're just right now in the stage of mapping. This is the best time to ask any questions. All right. Here we go. 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 So this is the high that it did with SPY. It's the highest that it went for today, right? Bounced off the zone, went all the way up there, found the ceiling, and said no. You gotta go back. Found the floor here, and went right back, and still said no. So here we go. As the market's open, do you think it's gonna come back again on the opening and rejects here? We're gonna see if it's gonna get rejected here again when it opens. That'll be something to look to. As it retests to here again, of course, we'll be buying. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So that's really all I see right now with SPY in terms of really nice supply and demand zone. So let's go ahead and verify with the 30 minutes, and then after that we go to Tesla. Right, here we go, here we go. Wow, 30-minute looks really nice too, to be honest. So this is a beautiful zone right here. As you guys can see. Let me go ahead and just, make it cooler. By just adding that in there, just like that. All right, so yeah, price opened up, came back, went up, came back, went up, and then it finally broke out of it. Well, 1, 2, the third time went outside of it. This is also similar to what might happen here, right? 1 came back, 2 tests came back, and the third time. Is the third time the charm? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. So far it looks nice. It looks pretty nice, but of course, holistically, don't really look nice. You guys can see here what is going on. Like what is going on? You know what I'm saying? So gotta keep that in mind. So let's be proactive as well, right? If the price were to escape out of this, where is it likely gonna react? Let's do that real quick before we go jump to Tesla. Let's be a little bit proactive. So if we go outside of this zone, where is the next major spot, right? This whole area has just been a dump. So I can definitely do right here as a potential, right? I'd rather do right here, as you guys can see. Look what happened right here, right? Price came here and went up. So this is certainly a major level, so we can definitely mark over here. That's assuming if the price even gets to over here. And that's why we're being proactive. That's why we're being proactive, right? So let's go ahead and make a zone. So it appears to be a zone. It's not just a line for this one. So let's do it all the way up to here. Up to here. Right? This wick right here, bottom of this wick. So we'll just do that. We'll do that. The low of this wick and the bottom of this wick, basically. So we'll see. How about this one right here? This is a 10-minute right here. Do you think right here will react with this one candle? We'll just keep an eye on it. We'll just keep an eye on it. Normally, I get it, but normally I like to see, like, you know, does it have any more support? Like, I would just go back and see if that spot has any more, you know, support. But it appears to be no. So we're fine. We don't need to mark it. Although it's a good idea. But we don't have to worry about it. As he approaches, we'll look into it. But ideally, I do want to take a put right here more so with this major spot than just this 130-minute here, you know? Unless I had other verification that level is a reactional level, which you'll know it by, you know, going all out and kind of seeing it. Look at the past with that level. All right. So let's go ahead and do Tesla real quick. TSLA. Oh, wow. Very similar. Very, very similar. Oh, goodness. All right. That's fine. That's fine. All right. So as you can see, we are in the 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and jump over to the 10-minute. You know, let's explore the city first before we get on a helicopter and take a look at bird's eye view. Right. Let's get the feel of the city. Right. Let's get the culture. Let's get what the city's all about. Type. That's how I go to the 10-minute first. I don't go to the 5-minute or the 1-minute because that's not where I live. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here as a vacation, take my money and go. That's it. That's it. So kind of look at it like that way. All right. If you go to the 1-minute at this point, that's basically your home. I'm just here to take opportunity and understand the broader, you know, scale a little bit, and then call it at that. So here's the low that it did, as you guys can see. Right? This is Tesla. We're looking at Tesla right now. We're doing our supply and demand marking. Put a thumbs up if you are so far enjoying this and understanding this very, very well. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. So this spot right here, it came to, we'll consider it as a zone. Let's just do that. How about that? Ideally, I do want to see more than just this one. You know what I'm saying? More than this one candle. I want to see more times it came to that area. But we're fine just because it's so close together. I'll be willing to buy one call here and then maybe two here, you know, as it goes in the zone. All right, here we go. We appears to just been getting a downtrend here. So let's go ahead and mark here as well too. Because right here, as you can see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a reaction to this zone. So to this spot. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that spot. Skidoosh. Right there. All right. Oops. Just like that. And then this is essentially the high, really. We don't really need to mark there. I marked this from previous days. I'll show it to you guys later. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. So this one is a good one right here. This one is a good one. You know what? Look at that. Look at this level. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, what? 5. Right? So just this one just got a 1 and the bounce off from it. So this actually is this. So this is actually this zone, not the bottom one. I'm tempted just to get rid of this one. Let me just get rid of that. Let me just get rid of that. So this is the low right here. And this is a nice, beautiful zone. It dipped as low as here and just came right back up. So we'll just keep it at that. I don't want to complicate too many lines. Let's go ahead and take a look, get on the helicopter, and just take a look at, you know, the city that we're vacationing. See a bird's eye view here. Okay, all right. So we got a beautiful push down. Oh, this is a good one, by the way. Let's go ahead and mark this one. This candle is it's an indication of, you know, sellers. All right, here we go. So yeah, price opened up, just dumped, right? Came to the zone and just continued the dumping. Found the floor, went up, found the ceiling, went down. So it's just been bouncing off between here and as well as low as here. So anything else, anything break outside of this zone, then of course we have a reaction. So that's just kind of what's going on with Tesla right now. And yeah, can certainly be a bit more proactive and take a look in case the price goes way below. So let's go ahead and do that. Market's gonna open very soon here, next 8 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's go ahead and intraday. How many days you want to see back? I want to see 180 days. And then I want to see on the 10 minutes. Apply. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Let's be proactive and take a look at this level here. Let me go ahead and mark it. Let's go ahead and mark it. Mark it orange. How about that? No. Let's mark it this unique color so we know. Let's go ahead and extend it out. So we're gonna go see this level and see, Oh wow, within 180 days, it never came to that level. Okay, so that's new. So we're gonna have to go to the yearly real quick to really see this on the daily. Okay, all right. Wow, so this is that color right here. You guys see that level? And yeah, it looks like it wants to go to this purple line that I've marked. This purple line right here. So yeah, Tesla just hasn't been doing good, as you guys can see. So let me get this a little closer. You guys can see there's a gap here, so let's just do that. Activate. Right there. Yeah. So yeah, this is that level right here. And if it goes pushes down, you have this purple line that I've made up because it had this reaction here. So anything break outside the next level is essentially right here, this zone. So we're gonna just be patient here. We're gonna just be patient. All right, we got some reactions here. Oh, take a look here. This is an interesting one. So yeah, any push down, yeah, we can clearly see that this is really tight level. Look at that, 1, 2. I mean, this thing just wanted to break out of this, and he finally did, broke out of it. So all right, I think we're fine. We are fine. So let's just sit back, relax. All right, we're fine. I don't think I need to mark anymore. Yeah, I think we're good. We're good. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's coming to this level again right here. Do you think it's gonna bounce off? I want to take this time right now to do some marking with trend lines. I think trend lines are actually pretty important. I've just been sleeping on them, to be honest. So I do gotta give their importance. I just ignore them. So ideally, you want to go on the daily. If you could find it in the daily, ideally the better. So let's go to the daily real quick. At this point, we're just trying to have a good time. We're just trying to have fun right now as you're waiting. So let's just do some look around, see if we any trend lines. So as you guys can see, I did found some here. Got 1, 2, 3. Nice, So I marked that. What else? That's already I see with Tesla. And as well as here, we broke out of this one. Look at that. Broke out of that one. So yeah. Let's see if we can find a trend line on the 10 minutes. Why not? Especially what's kind of what it looks like to be a trend line, at least in the 10 minute. All right. Yeah, we're good. We're not gonna complicate things. All right, we're not gonna do that. All right, cool. Market's gonna open 2 minutes. So here we go. Let's have SPY up in the front. That's just what we do here. Do you guys like if I do a separate? Like have it too so we can see both SPY and Tesla? Let's just do that. Ain't nothing wrong with it. TSLA. So again, top screen is SPY, bottom screen is Tesla. That's it. So we'll see what happens once the market open and how they're both gonna react. So here we go. So here we go. Just zoom it in a bit better. Just like that. So Yeah, you could certainly buy a call right here. Bet on this is gonna, push up in the opening. That's essentially what you'll be doing. I think it's just too risky for me. I want to just wait it out. Wait it out. Wait it out. That's it. That's it. Right now, SPY is approaching this level right here. Right? SPY is what's approaching this level right here. Do you think it's going to bounce up and go back to this here in the opening? All right? We have less than a minute now. That's the question we got to know. Do you think if the price for SPY comes here, would it bounce up? That's one. Do you think Tesla, when it opens up, do you think it's going to bounce up from this level? That's, you know what I'm saying? We're not here to predict. We're going to just sit back, relax. Market opens, we see a wick of reaction in each of them, we take our call. That's it. But if we start to see a break, we know what to do. Take our put. Just like that. All right? Just like that. Oh gosh, look at that. SEDG, just, one of my long term. It's not doing too hot anymore. Look at that. As you guys can see, we're not seeing much of a wick anymore. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. So we could see a push down. We could definitely see a push down. All right? Market's going to open in 30 seconds. So here we go. There's no wick right now. Look at this. The buyers that did this are not there anymore. There's a struggle going on. So there's a struggle right now. A takeover just is occurring. Look at that. Unless we start to see a wick, buyers needs to hold a wick. That's it. That's it. If they don't, sellers take over. That's it. That's what essentially seemed to be happening. But Yep. There's no more buyers anymore at that level. As you can see, the crack occurred. Right? All right, here we go. Look at that. And he opened below it too. Wow. Let's go ahead and just take one light put. It's a little too late though. It's a little too late. I was trying to place a put, I did it, but spiked a bit too fast. So I went ahead and took one light put here, guys. As you guys can see, we're opening below this level. Why would you not take a put? Right? All right, here we go. We're getting that push up right now. Here we go. If it goes to the zone, I'll go ahead and buy one right here. Oh, I missed it. I missed the opportunity. Damn. As it was squeezing up, I was trying to place the put, but then when it got pushed down, that's when I got in my put. Timing, right? You can't time it. But we're gonna see what happens here. The price is below this level, which is a major level. So I'll be shocked if it goes above it. If it goes above it, that's fine. That's just how trading works. But it will be surprising though, of course. Here we go. I would have loved to have got in as that first squeeze that happened. Right at that moment, I would have liked to, but that's fine. We know what our rules is, right? Goes out of this zone, we're out. We're not going to be placing a put if it goes outside of the zone. That's all we're doing. We're not afraid. That's it. Nice push up. Look at that. Here we go. Now I got to prepare. I could take the put again, another put right here. This opportunity. But I don't want to oversize. Got to follow my rule. With Tesla, ideally, I like to be comfortable with just 2. 3 sometimes. But just because this is the first opening candle, I'm just going to leave it at 2 because you could still spike up for like a little, let's grab the, Here we go. It went in the zone. Gotta be scared now. I'm gonna get one in just because it's so tight to the view and I'm at that as well as tight to my stop loss. I'm gonna get out. And I'm gonna get out. Ready? It's going outside of it. It's going outside. Okay, taking too long. Well, actually, I went that way. And I'm out. Yeah, it went outside. So I had to respect it. I gotta respect it. We went ahead and took it out. We followed our rule though, of course. All right, here we go. Now you can go ahead and buy a call. You can go ahead and buy a call right here at this zone, essentially. So, oh wow, you went back below the zone. Okay, very interesting. You had a rejection on the below the zone. Okay, I went ahead and went back to my put. Wow. Oh shoot, I just oversized as well. So that's not good. That's not good to oversize. All right, when below in the zone right now with this wick crash, I decided to get back on my put. But yeah, anything outside of it, I'll get out. Very risky though. I should have probably waited a little bit longer. But we'll see. We'll see here. Now we're in the zone. Okay. We need to see that below the zone. I like that we got a wick, you know, push down. And but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Nothing to celebrate yet. We're still hovering around there. I like that the fact that it's red. That's good at least. We're getting some move down. Beautiful move down right now. As you guys can see. Oh, we got picked up again. It seems to be a battle here. There's certainly a battle here with Tesla. Let's be patient with it and just see it out. See what happens here. We got really, really tight push down. I'm gonna go ahead and get one out. We need to see more flush. We're just at that spot where it originally reacted. So I'm just kind of cooling it off. Okay. This is where he's had that reaction. So I'm gonna leave these two alone. I need to see a break outside of this. Nice. Finally got the break. Here we go. Now is the flush. Let's go ahead and clear one out as we flush in more and more. You know? Okay, all right. We'll leave this one alone. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So for those who bought the call on SPY at this level, congratulations. You played yourself. No, I'm playing with you. I wouldn't say that. No, you did very well. You did well, all right? All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. You know what? I'm just gonna get out. I know it's too soon to get out from Tesla. It's fine. There was no need to sell right now, to be honest, Tesla. I'm just gonna get out. We're fine. I regret selling it, to be honest. Just yeah. That was not a good idea. Just hold on to it. If you're not seeing any wick, it's fine. You hold on to it, you know. But it's fine. It's fine. I think I'm just got a little, you know, phased by the sudden push up after you break below the zone, you know. Yeah. I would have loved to continue holding. Right now, it would have been $100 a day. Call it a day, right? Just right there. Would have been done with our trading. All right, which we're at 66. So I can basically just call it. You know what I'm saying? I can just call it a day. But I think we can look into an opportunity for SPY here. As you guys can see, SPY is struggling to push outside of this level. So it's looking for a put. It's looking for a put in our share rate. All right, too much. We're not gonna do that. All right, here we go. We got our put opportunity as he cracked it. Take a look at SPY, guys. Focus on SPY right now. Oh, we got picked up. After it cracked, it got picked up. So as it cracks more, I'm gonna go ahead and add to the put. We'll leave one for now. Oops, you guys are not seeing it. All right, it's not cracking. You see that? It got picked up. All right, guys, gotta be careful. Got to be a little careful. All right, it came back. I'm gonna hold it. It goes outside of this, I'm out. If it goes outside of this, I'm out of my put. Because it's cracking and struggling to move. Oh, I got add before I miss it. All right, I went ahead and added. I'm gonna add one more. All right, I went ahead and added one more. Okay, it's just struggling right now. Here we go. Good, very good. Come here, come all the way down to here, so I can get my money. Appreciate you. Okay, you're getting that move. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You know what? We are gonna call two. We're gonna call two. We're gonna go ahead and call two. Right? We just made our $100 for the day. We're done. We're done trading, guys. That's just how it works. That's just how it works. Should we hold on to this one until all the way here? You know, at this point, we really made our money. We really don't, not really dependent on anything. I'm just gonna call it, guys. We went ahead and made our money. All right. So that was our goal today, to make $100 a day. And just like that, we secured that money. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day, right? Looks like my long-term investment is not doing too hot, which is fine. I don't need to worry about it. All right. This is trading right here. This is supply and demand trading here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly go through what I did wrong, what I could have done better, etc., etc. All right. First, I'm gonna start with SPY. SPY, I did. Holy shit! We could have hold this one in it. We could have hold this one. Hold it. But we made a decision. We stick to it. All right. We're good. We're good. We understood. We understood this thing is going down. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Follow with me real quick with the review. So with SPY, we did very well. We saw that at this level, it wasn't spiking back up. It was struggling, tapping. It wasn't going up. It was struggling. It would go down, go up. We understood that. Once we saw that struggle, we knew that this level is no longer strong anymore, as it was right here that first time and that second time. Right? We knew that. So we placed our put as it was breaking one by one. As the struggle was strengthening, we went ahead and continued to add the put. We did good. Very good. Now, as for Tesla, that was a scary trade, but we understood the very fact that it was struggling. We knew that it's gonna be a push down. I knew it. The fact that it was struggling it was struggling to maintain a wick here, buyer's wick here, to push up. I knew that this level is now weak. On top of that, once he opened, you know what happened? He opened below here. Literally, it literally opened right below the lines. At that point, we knew. We knew. Because what I was afraid of, because it's the first candle, usually a spike in the other direction happens and then it goes back to the direction he wants to go. And that's what we got. And so I did oversize. You know, given the fact that it was the first candle, I should have just said, let me add one. Let me just add one in case the spike happens. It's the opening. That's kind of what happens. It's a very high risk, high reward when it comes to trading the opening, you know. And so I should have just added one contract just to see that in case that spike happens. And he did, but I had like 3 at that point. You know, we were down like 144. You know, but we immediately understood we got to get out now. You know, it went outside of the zone. I had to take the L. Don't be attached to it. Just follow your rule. Right? And then as soon as he came back, this time with a wick, seller's wick, right? Now we got backing. That means sellers heavily stepped in and rejected. They said, no, you're going back to the jail. Going back below here, below the zone. No way, no way. And that's when we went ahead and added more. I even oversized with 4 contracts. Remember, don't break your rule. Don't break your rule. Don't break your rule. All right? Don't do it. Any part of your rule, don't break it. Trust me. If you want to be successful trader in the long run. All right? Yes, and I did broke. I added 4, you know, because emotion kicked in, you know, because I was down already 144. All right? It's fine, but don't do that, okay? Here we go. So we went ahead and we're essentially just making money at that point. We had that one contract left. We could have kind of maintained until it continued to push down, but don't fall in love with the potential, bro. Follow, you have an end goal in mind, which is what, my $100. As he was getting pushed down, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get around here. I missed this more, you know, run here. It's fine. It's fine. And so I think we did very well. I think we did okay. You know, that's that. Secondly, do you guys notice the difference between how I'm trading now and last week? So you guys can, you know, last week I was just taking L after L. Why? Because I hope you guys have watched that video titled The Truth. Sorry, titled what was the title of that video? It's the previous video I just made. Titled Why is it risky to be a profitable trader? Something along those lines. Right? And that's what, as when you become a profitable trader, that's when you really, really need to have the highest level of control of yourself. Because when you are in the profit, when you have your strategy set and you're following your rule and you're making money, yep, you know what happens? You go in cloud 9. You become high on your self-esteem, high on your, you know what I'm saying? But you forget to realize that trading is emotion. So when you uptick that emotion, you get blind, bruv. And so that's what I did, right? Follow suggestions. I wanted to add the 5-minute. I went ahead and make this thing and all this thing complicated. I'm like, no, don't do that. The thing about trading is probability, brother. Trading is what? Probability. So when you change something to your probability that's been getting you WW, that means you change. Now you got a whole new set of a win rate ratio, win and loss ratio. So that's what I did. That's what I did, right? I don't need to do that anymore. I understood the mistake I did. I caught myself, and now here I am, right? Here I am, focusing on only my trade, which is what? Using only the 10-minute. That's it. 10-minute, that's it. And following my supply and demand zone. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now, I'm not to say that the other strategies were wrong. They were actually 100% correct. I seen it. They're correct. But you have to get used to one and follow that to the T for a long period of time. If it's working for you, don't make any changes. All right? Don't do it. Don't do it. Most of the trading strategies all work, but you have to get used to one and stick to it. Stick to it, understand the rhythm, the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Make it part of you as you trade. So I hope that made sense. All right? Appreciate you all for joining. And please go ahead and put a thumbs up on the video. And because it helps the algorithm, right? And so I appreciate you for doing that, for real, for real. So with that all said, HRT out. See you guys tomorrow. All right? Take care.